Right, at last. This turned out to be a bit long-winded. Long story short, this Cestos B3S timer, it's got two relays. Turned out this is the one I blew up ages ago. So basically there where it says normally open, normally close on C, I put the live and positive on the relay by accident instead of 9 and 10 where the power was. I didn't twig whilst I'd wired it up. Couldn't work out why it was only heating up on the A side, on the heating element. But, yeah, if I was feeling better than I am today, I probably would have realised a bit sooner. So, long story short, let's turn it on. Off we go. So now I've got these 3 timers. Let's just bring this down to 4 minutes, so you can see what's going on to get that hour off. So whilst it's running, this is the temperature that the machine's hitting. This is breaking the load up, so it's hit the temperature, and this has cut the power to the heating element regardless, just to reduce the load, the current. So I've split the timing, sort of halved it. It's going to take longer to dry, but as the clothes dry, the dry gets hotter and hotter anyway. So technically it's going to use a bit less electricity as the quicker it gets to dry. To be honest, let's change up 2 minutes because I can't be bothered to hold this for 4 minutes. So we'll wait 2 minutes, and yeah, you'll see this just shut off after 2 minutes, which would be normally when the program's finished. And this dryer is going into out of the kitchen, so, and that's going to the tip. So yeah, getting all that sorted. So. 1 minute left. There we go, that's it all finished. The heat element's off. So 2 minutes running time. Obviously it's not dry in there, but yeah, that'll do for the minute. Yeah, if I've got to fix this one more time, yeah, it's going in the bin. I've had enough.